Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we've got something special for all you photography enthusiasts out there. We're diving into the Sony FE50mm f1.2 GM full-frame large-aperture G master lens, and let me tell you, it's one of the best first lenses you can get for your Sony A7 III camera. Stick around because we're going to explore why this lens is such a game-changer. This Sony FE50mm f1.2 GM lens is a masterpiece in the world of photography. With its impressive features, it's no wonder it's making waves among photographers. Let's start by talking about its key attributes. First and foremost, this lens delivers outstanding performance. It's known for its exceptional sharpness and clarity, thanks to the G Master resolution. Whether you're shooting portraits, landscapes, or low-light scenes, this lens will capture every detail beautifully. But what truly sets this lens apart is its wide f1.2 maximum aperture. This means you can achieve that dreamy, creamy bokeh and shoot in challenging low-light conditions without sacrificing image quality. It's like having the power of light in your hands. Now, let's talk about the build and design. Sony has done an excellent job here. Despite its incredible capabilities, this lens remains compact and lightweight. It's designed to complement both full-frame and APS-C cameras, making it versatile for various shooting situations. And here's the game-changer, the fast, precise, and quiet autofocus. Even at f1.2, this lens locks onto your subject with lightning speed. It's powered by 4XD linear motors that ensure accuracy and speed, making it perfect for capturing those fleeting moments. If you're a professional or even an enthusiast, you'll appreciate the level of control this lens provides. It comes with two focus hold buttons, a focus mode switch, and an aperture ring with switchable click stops. Plus, it offers linear response manual focus for precise control. And for those concerned about durability, rest assured that this lens is built to last. It features effective dust and moisture resistance, along with a fluorine front element coating, adding an extra layer of reliability to your gear. In conclusion, the Sony FE50mm f1.2 GM full-frame large-aperture G master lens is a must-have for any photographer using a Sony A7 III or similar camera. Its exceptional image quality, wide aperture, and professional-grade features make it an invaluable tool for capturing stunning photos and videos. So, there you have it, folks. If you're looking to take your photography to the next level, consider adding the Sony FE50mm f1.2 GM to your gear collection. It's a lens that delivers on every front. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the notification bell so you never miss our in-depth product reviews. Thanks for joining us today on Product Critique. Until next time, happy shooting!